Hi my friend, nice to see you again. This is Colorful from ZLCONN Machinery Company Limited, the professional HDD machine manufacturer. Today we'd like to introduce our 50-ton HDD machine, and here is the machine. And our 6-ton HDD machine features this good back. Okay, now let me take you for a look at this machine. We will check the machine from the front side first. Follow me. Okay, so here is the front side of our 6-ton SPT machine, ZL600A. Take a look at. We have a 2-ton crane and the rotational cap with AC. And our 50-ton machine, we can be used 4.5 meter steel rod, 89 mm and 102 millimeter. Okay. Let's take a closer. This is the white jaw, more thick one. And here, double blow device can protect the steel rod details of our system. Okay. Here, we have two options for this water loader. The first one is normal one. The second one is with rotation function. For rotation function, there is a cylinder here. The right-hand column, 2 layers painting, more stronger than other brands. We use better material. The track, steel track, we rather have. I like its green color. Okay, here is our rotation and machine pulling motors. 4 motors for pull and pulling, 2 motors for rotation. The pull and pulling speed is 50 and the rotation maximum speed is 150. For this our 60-ton, we have a unique feature other brands don't have, that is automatically reinforcement. And this must, you have 2 choices. The first one is with reinforcement and the second one is without reinforcement. And this type is with reinforcement. Here is the backside view of our machine. For the throttle pump, we use 650. We have 2 options. You can up it to 800. The big ventilation. For all our parts, we use imported and the top branding. And here's the inside. Here's the engine and motor and the ventilation fan. Here's the hydraulic pump. We can take a look at the inside. And here, there's some meters. You can check the status of the machine. The cab is equipped with AC and electric control and a big LCD screen and AC and multi-functional joysticks and a very comfortable sofa with remote controller. There are 4 ventilation. 1, 2, 3, 4. screen TV monitor here, you can see the view of the lacquer film from this LCD.
Fix the lifting boom remote control handle. Enter the cabinet and turn on the engine. Turn on the semi-auto rod feeder. Optional drill rod diameter 89, 102 millimeters. Loosen semi-auto rod feeder and return. Here are the vice jaws. And these are hydraulic cylinders. Push-pull motor, electric proportional plunger motor. 60 times 4, 60 or 120 times 4 and 2. Push-pull reducer. Four reducers for 60 tons, 4 and 2 reducers for 60 tons or 120 tons. The rotating torque up to 28,500 Newton-meter, and the swing speed up to 150 RPM. The maximum push-pull force 600 or 1,200 kN. Push-pull speed up to 50 meters per minute. Rotating the cabinet. The cab is returned to its place. Rotating the lifting boom. Put down the hook. Lift the boom. Connect the wire remote controller. Crawler speed 25240 kilometers an hour. Put down the boom.
So thank you, my friends. This is our ZL600 HDD machine. Welcome to contact us for more details. And here is our WhatsApp and email. So thank you and see you next time.